Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are gonna make some sweet coconut balls. It's a very easy dessert made just in 10 minutes. So let's get started. For the ingredients we'll need half cup sweetened condensed milk, 2 cups of coconut powder, and the ingredients will be in the description box down below. Now over the coconut powder, add the sweetened condensed milk and using a spatula clean the bowl. There we go. First, using the same spatula, let's mix them until combines. Just keep mixing, fold it and press it. This method will be easier. Now clean the spatula and using your fingers, mix it very well. Mixing using your fingers is much better than a spatula or a spoon. They will get combined very well. And just keep mixing until when you form a shape, well, a round shape, it should not fall apart but must stick together well, so that we should be able to form a shape. And finally, here we are, our mixture of coconut powder and sweetened condensed milk is ready. Now let's make some round balls. Here we need a tray lined with parchment paper. So let's start making some balls. Take a bit and keep pressing it until you get the round ball shape, just like that. And this is how it will be. Now place it on a tray. Now let me make one more. Just like that, you have to take a bit and keep pressing it until it's round. Just like that. And do the same with rest of them. And here they are all done. And I got 54 pieces. Now we need to keep it in the oven at 120 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. Until that, you go and watch today's healthy tips. Then I will be back soon. Pineapple is said to have originated from South America and it's rich in nutrients and antioxidants that can fight inflammation. It contains vitamin A, vitamin K, phosphorus, calcium and zinc that can work wonders in fighting many diseases. Its rich source of vitamin C helps in maintaining a healthy immune system, while its content of manganese provide you with a healthy metabolic rate. Thus, the two major compounds that make pineapple a healthy food are manganese and vitamin A. And here they are out of the oven, and before they cool down, here we need a sugar syrup. So let's dip the coconut ball in the syrup there, and this is how it will be. Remember, we don't want the coconut balls to be in the syrup for too long, so it will absorb too much and they will fall apart. And we should not take them out of the syrup too fast, so that the coconut balls will be too hard. And the right time is that once they are in the syrup, using a fork, keep stirring it for 5 to 10 seconds, then take it out on a plate. Just like that, you have to do the same with the rest of the undipped coconut balls. And voila, here we are, finally they are all done, and this is the final result. As you can see, this is how it must look from outside. Now let's split it. Looking good. And even it tastes sweet and delicious. Alright, that's all for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed watching it, and don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and ring the bell to get notified when I post my new video, which is going to be baklava rolls. If you don't want to miss it, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. I'm sure you will be notified when I post my new video. Now bye and see you in my next video.